Very cheerful greetings to one and all present and listening to me. So, my name is Dr. Poonam Sahu, Assistant Professor, MBA Department, Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. Today's topic is about, will machines replace humans in the era of digital transformation? So, this question is revolving around us everywhere when you talk about machines are going to replace us and machines are going to replace humans. The first thing which comes to our mind is, in the race of machines and humans, who is going to win the race? Is it we have to make this competition, or we are going together for the economic productivity of our country? So before jumping to this topic, will machines replace human in the era of digital transformation? Let's going back to the digital transformation. So background of the industrial revolution, will talk about the first industrial revolution. Moving on to that, second industrial revolution, then the third and the fourth. And what are the key technologies which will be focusing on in Industry 4.0? What are the impact on jobs and opportunities? Impact on jobs, challenges, and what is the human machine collaboration? When you're talking about the beginning of the first industrial revolution, so first industrial revolution started in the late 18th century, and which brought mechanical innovations like steam engine, cotton spinning, railroads. Moving on to the second industrial revolution, which started in the second half of the 19th century, because about production organization like assembly line and electrification. We got our electricity and assembly line production in the era of second industrial revolution, which we called as in 19th century. Moving on to the third industrial revolution, which started from 1960s to 1995, we got our mainframe computers like personal computers, the mobile phones which we are using today, and even the internet. So, what is the major difference between the third industrial revolution and the fourth industrial revolution is that how technology is embedded within the society, within the government body, or even the social body also. So, the concept of Industry 4.0 has been announced at the Hanover Fair event in the year 2011 by the German government, which symbolizes the beginning of the beginning of the fourth industrial revolution. So it is called the fourth industrial revolution, which is considered as the natural evolution of the third industrial revolution, which have arrived at the beginning of 21st century. So there are a range of technologies which are bringing together the physical, biological, and digital worlds, and that is why, according to Squab, Industry 4.0 is something called bringing together the man and machines together in the physical, biological, and digital worlds. So here there are what are the key technologies which are going to be encompasses within the scope of Industry 4.0? It's a very big question which comes to our mind when you're talking about any industrial revolution, which is now we're talking about Industry 4.0. So we talk about cyber physical systems, we talk about Internet of Things, we talk about cloud computing, 3D printing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, nanotechnology. So when you hearing all these technologies embedded within that particular Industry 4.0, the first question which comes to our mind is from where these components has been come from. So these has come from the industrial revolutions which we are discussing about Industry 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and in the present era of Industry 4.0. So moving on to the impact on jobs. So how these industrial revolutions are going to impact our jobs? What are the opportunities we are going to get from these industrial revolutions? So when talking about the before all this industrial revolution, like the first industrial revolution, we're talking about mechanization, and in the second industrial revolution, we're talking about electrification, and in the third industrial revolution, we're talking about computers. So what are the impact on jobs for the from the fourth industrial revolution? This industrial revolution is going to change our entire workplace environment because of the automation. So this is considerable the changes in the work environment. So many technologies are going to bring job productivity through by efficiently doing through the automation. Like automation will surely make jobs and work more productivity and with human intervention. So human intervention, we cannot be ignored, something which cannot be ignored in any industrial revolution we're talking about. So there are certain career opportunities also which giving more emphasizing on both the technology as well as the employment part. So whenever we are moving towards any industrial revolution, we cannot leave behind the humans or the man's behind. Even the technology has been progressive in our day-to-day life. So technology and employment has to be balanced in both the workplace as well as in personal life. We're talking about smart digital innovations and automations like RPA, robotic process automations. We're talking about BDA. We're talking about AI. This all will have a very impactful revolution in our individual careers. It's not about only the white collar jobs or the blue collar jobs are going to be replaced. In all individual careers, these are going to have a greater impact. And moving on to the digital decentralization we're talking about. So digital decentralization is basically a people-centric approach. When you're talking about centralization approach, we follow a very narrow chain of hierarchy. But when it comes to digital decentralization, it is basically focusing on a very people-centric approach. So this is also a very important aspect which are going to impact through in this fourth industrial revolution. So moving on to the industry 4.0, how what empowers this human to be more beyond passive service to more proactive. It is also going to be data driven approach. So this could definitely be a leadership and a culture of innovation which can bring a growth opportunities for each and every individual. So this is something going to have a very impactful on job opportunities based on the fourth industrial revolution. Moving on to what is the impact on job as a challenge. So there are certain challenges when talking about lack of employee skills, qualifications, lack of employees awareness, implementation and maintenance cost, even the infrastructure also or innovation strategies also. It plays a very impactful complex between both the organizational as well as technological consequences. So what is the main urgent need is for human technology relationship. We're talking about human machine collaborations. We're talking about bringing back the humans in the era of industrial 4.0 revolution, which has been left behind. So human technology relationship play a very significant role in any industrial revolution when you're talking about. So this interaction has to be understood for career future well-being and futuristic digital workplace as well. So at the end or in the nutshell, what this particular topic will machine replace humans in the era of digital transformation is uh, wants to say about the human machine collaboration. So it is according to a study conducted by Gale in 2007 also, what they mentioned was that the purpose of automation is not to replicate the work of humans with automation technology, but to see how both machines and technologies can bring enormous benefits for the society and can bring automation, also the productivity together. So the impact may not be, we can neutralize the impact of industrial revolution through working together. So we cannot say technology is taking the jobs of humans, but it is a kind of complementary facilitator to increase human intelligence and knowledge rather than to replace the human resources. So therefore, the impact may need to be neutralized when you're talking about machines are going to replace humans. It is not machines are going to replace humans, but both machines and humans can work together in the era of industrial revolution. Thank you so much.